Hi guys, today I wanted to share with you a new product that I was wanting to try for a minute from one of my childhood friends, Julie. This product is supposed to help my hair be more hydrated. It's supposed to help my hair grow, give it shine, and it's supposed to help it be a little bit manageable. So today I decided to try the product. Oh my God, I'm in love. Okay, so the product is from Beaute'LLC, and I don't know if you could see it. No, it's a little blur. And basically the product works wonders for me, at least, because my journey when I wash my hair is like very painful. I wash my hair and then I have a hard time combing it through, so I have to apply a lot of moisturizer and make sure it's wet and everything. Then I have to let it dry, and then once it's dry I have to apply more moisturizer, and it's just like really ridiculous. But with this product I didn't have to do too much. Once I wash my hair and I dried it real good, as much as I can, then I applied the three products. The first thing I did was I applied the aloe. The aloe smells real good, and it really helps to detangle the hair for me, as I noticed. And then I applied the essential oil. The essential oil, because it's my first time, so what I did was I kept the parts together, and I did each section separately, and I applied the oil directly to my scalp to make sure that my hair was a little bit hydrated and stuff, and not so dry and brittle. And then I applied the Meringue Shea Mousse. Meringue Shea Mousse, I guess, is the one that gives it the shine and everything. When I tell you, after I was done and I was able to take a comb and go like this to my hair, usually it's literally dried right now. I'm able to run a comb through my hair, and it's shiny and it smells good and it feels good. Usually I can't do this. Usually I'm in pain. And so this right here, oh my God, is the best kept secret for real, Judy, because you truly don't know what you have started with my hair. And I can't wait to see later on what's gonna happen, how the journey is gonna end. I can't wait for the new growth and be able to manage my hair more. Usually I don't touch my hair most of the time. If it's hard and hard to manage, I just leave it alone, put a little moisturizer, style it, and keep going. But now I'm able to manage my hair. Look at that. You see that? I mean, I could actually comb through it. Usually I can't do that. Look at this. I could comb through it, all of it, and it's just been sitting there. It's not dry, it's not brittle, it's just beautiful. And I'm really in love with this new product, and I can't wait to see the end result. Thank you, Julie. Look at the shine in my hair. It's just shiny, it's gorgeous, it's beautiful. Thank you so much. I can't wait to see the end result. My hair is long, y'all. Check this out. You see this? Look at this. Look at this shine. Look at this shine. Oh my God. I'm in love with this hair. Yes. I'm in love. Thank you.